I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Stardew Valley multiplayer on mobile and PC. First, for PC multiplayer, ensure everyone has the game. The host needs to start a new farm or load an existing one. Then, visit Robin's shop to build a cabin for each friend. Each cabin costs 100 gold, 10 stone, and 10 wood. This prepares your farm for visitors. Once cabins are ready, the host selects Co-op and then Host from the main menu. They can choose to host a new or existing farm. Friends will then select Co-op and Join from their main menu. They can enter the invite code provided by the host or join directly through their Steam Friends list. It's a straightforward process to get everyone connected. Now let's talk about mobile multiplayer. All players need a stable internet connection. The host will start or load a farm on their mobile device. Just like on PC, you'll need to build cabins for your friends to join. For local multiplayer, it's crucial that everyone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This ensures a smooth connection for your farming adventures. To connect on mobile, the host selects Co-op and then Host from their game menu. Friends will then choose Co-op and Join, looking for the host's farm in the list. It's important to remember that Stardew Valley does not support crossplay between mobile and PC. All players must be on the same platform, either all mobile or all PC, to enjoy multiplayer together.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.